Hey guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach here. I want to do a quick video walkthrough on this 2025 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Very nice boat. It's equipped with a Garmin GPS that has chart plotter on one side, depth sounder on the other. Obviously I'm sitting in a lot here, so neither one are picking up, but it does come on, seems to function, and everything looks good there. I've got 48.6 hours. Nav lights are on and working, horn works, bilge pump works, auxiliary pump works. Got a power pole here with a remote. Go see it over in the corner. Works well there. Also have a remote for it. Remote works well. You can see I've got the optional tow arch, bench seats in the back, hydraulic steering on Mercury 115, helm seat, flips back. I've got storage underneath it. Upholstery's in good shape. Same on these aft bench seats. Storage here, igloo cooler. Just had some rain, so everything's wet, but good shape. Bim tops up. Got a small tear in the fabric here. There's been a patch to it. Looks like maybe a little bend right here in the center. Still functions well. Just pointing it out. Up forward. Bow cushions, got storage underneath, and then underneath the forward locker is your anchor storage. Great package, nice boat, be a lot of fun for the rest of the summer. GAO audio system, it's on, works well. Appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. If you got any questions about this boat or any others, you can call me at 910-264-4818. Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818.